Okay, so it seems like 800 millimeters a second or above 6K XL is too much. So I'm just doing stupid fun testing because I've been up for 24 hours. So we're gonna try 2 amps on the 2209s, 700 millimeters a second, 6K XL, and I'm just gonna back off because these are heavy parts and I don't want to be near them. Oh, it does. Oh, oh. All right, let's do 606K XL, which I did do at a lower current. I think that's probably about the max. I mean, it should be able to go faster, but probably need bigger micro steps, smaller micro steps. Oh, still doing it on a bit. Okay. See, not all the time though. It's interesting. I'm never gonna print that fast. It's fucking stupid, but it's also just funny to see it go this fast.